Today we got a cab high fiberglass Lear 100R series. Fits the 15 to 20 Ford F-150 with a 5.5 foot bed. This unit is in really good shape. Doesn't have many damage to it. Much damage to it. Top and the top edge looks really good. Not seeing any scratches or anything on there. Front edge is really good shape. Bottom edge has a small little chip right there. That looks really good on this side. It has the half side sliders in the side. Front's a picture window. Front edge has no damage on it. No damage on the front of this unit. Top of this, and the top edge of this looks really good. Right here we got a little bit of a scuff mark right there. You can see on the top. That's really about it for that. Back side of this and the bottom edge look really good. So you get to right about there, you got a small chip in it. And you get another small chip right there. And then right here we've got a little bit of damage on the corner right there. You can kind of see the corner's kind of chipped up there. But really not bad, it's really small pieces. Has a half side slider on this side as well. Has the double T-handle locking rear door with the door skirt for the tailgate. Inside is just a bare fiberglass. Screens are in good shape. No holes in the screens. Looks nice and clean in here. Doesn't look like it's new enough. It doesn't look like it leaks at all. No holes in this screen either. There's the tag. Lear Legend 56 FF15 and UX silver. It's a 5.5 foot Ford 15 body style. So there it is, cab high fiberglass Lear. Fits the 2015 to 2020 Ford F-150 with a 5.5 foot extra short bed. Below is a link to this unit on our website, so you can click that link, purchase that online, see which location it is, how much it is. If you want to purchase it online. There's also a link to our website in general, so if you're just looking for cap repair parts, clamps, tapes, seals, locks, things like that. Those are all available online for purchase as well. As with all our units, they are local pickup only. We do not ship these. You'll need to make arrangements to pick them up at one of our stores when you purchase them. Thanks for watching.